Today's program is to write a program for the as a non-parameterized constructor, and the class name is fruit juice. And this fruit juice program, you have to enter these variables, and these variables, the description are very clearly given, like P code. P code is for the product code, and flavor is for the maybe orange flavor or apple flavor, and type, P type, maybe it can be of Tetra Pak or a PET bottle, and P size, it may be sold in 200 ml or 400 ml, and the price of the fruit juice packet. And there is a discount also. There is a discount. There is a function called discount, and in this function the discount is our ₹10. So whatever the price of the fruit juice is, fruit juice packet, maybe of Tetra Pak, maybe of PET bottle, so there is a discount of 10% or ₹10, and you have to display the final amount to be paid by the customer. So as it is a non-parameterized program, non-parameterized, so we have to declare the variables, and before that we need some command lines. Command lines are written, and we have to, as you know, we have to declare the variables. Once the variables have been declared, the program always starts from the main function. So main function is here, public static void main. So main function is over here, and name of the class is fruit juice, and object is created over here. In this line, two things happens at a time. In one time, two things happen. First one is object created and the constructor invoked. So obj is the constructor created, and in the meantime this constructor is also invoked. That means it will go and check whether fruit juice has been properly defined or not. So it will find it over here, public fruit juice, and it has been, the default values has been given, like P code 0 because it is int, flavor is blank space within double quotes because it is string, and P type is also blank space because it is string, and P size is 0 because it is int, price is also 0, discount is also 0 because they are all int. So they are also called default constructors. And as you know, the class name and the constructor name both has to be same, that you know well. So this part is over, invoking the function is over. So it will go to the next line, obj.input. So object is trying to invoke the function input. So it will try to search where the input function has been defined. It is defined over here, and it will ask you to enter the product code. Product code is given. It will ask you to enter the flavor, type, size, and price. Okay, so code is, let us say, 0123, flavor is, let us say, orange, and type is, let us say, Tetra Pak, and size is, let us say, 200 ml size, and price is, let us say, ₹40. So everything is entered. So it will go to the next line, that is obj.discount. It will calculate for the discount because the program also says there's a 10% discount. There's a 10% or a ₹10 discount. So it will go to the discount function over here, and whatever the price, we are given price is ₹40, so ₹40 minus 10, so it will be ₹30. So this DIS will have ₹30. And then again, once that part is done, it will go to the display part, because it is going to display all the details of the product. So we'll go to display. So display will be found over here, public void display, and we will display the entire thing, that is product code, P code, that is 0123, flavor we have entered orange, and type is Tetra Pak, and it was of 200 ml size, price was ₹40, and after discount the customer has to pay ₹30. So we'll see whether the program is working or not, whether it's correct or not. So we have to give a click on compile. Can you see compile over here in the top left corner of the screen? Compile, I'll give a click on compile, and it says compiling bottom of the screen, and class compiled, no syntax error. That is no error in the program. So I'll show you the output. So it is asking us to enter the product code. So let us say 0123 is the product code. Flavor juice, flavor orange. Product type, that is Tetra Pak. And product size, let's say it is 200 ml pack, and price is 40 rupees. And you see, so product code is printed, orange Tetra Pak, 40 rupees shows the price, and after discount the customer has to pay 30 rupees. So this is the output. You can check in the program, check in the rough column.